X over 18 equal to 18 over y. And x and y are integers. We want to find how many possible cases do we have for x and y. At first, if we cross multiply this equation, look, it is like this. You multiply this times this equal to this times this. So we can say xy equal to 18 squared. 18, if you prime factorize, is 2 times 9, which is 2 times 3 squared squared. Now, by power rule, we can say it is equal to 2 squared times 3 to the 4. Okay? If you have by power rule, if you have, for example, a to the m times b to the n, the power of, for example, k, it is equal to a to the mk times b to the nk, and we've applied here. So it is 2 squared times 3 to the 4. Now let's work on this. Let's write it again here, xy, 2 squared times 3 to the 4. So, look, first we can say x and y. We want to find number of cases, number of answers for x and y. X and y, their sign. Both of them can be positive or both of them negative. So for sign, you have two cases. Because the product is positive, both negative or both positive for x and y. Now, if we determine x is what, y will be determined. So for x, it is 2 to the something. And for example, x can be 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, or 2 to 2 squared. 3 cases for 2. And x has some 3's. 3 to the 0, 3 to the 1, 3 squared, 3 cubed, and 3 to the 4. Because of 3 to the 4 here. So 0 to 4, 5 pieces. So 2 times 3, 6, 6 times 5, 30. So there are 30 answers for x, and because we have 30 answers for x, and if you determine x, I said y will be determined. So we have also 30 answers for both x and y in integers. Okay, so for example, let me tell you one answer. You can say, for example, suppose x is minus, we select, for example, 2 to the 1, 3 cubed. Or let's say, for example, 2 to the 1 times 3 squared. It will be negative 2 to the 1 times 3 squared. Now, y will be what? It will be negative because here we have negative. We want to reach 2 squared. We have 2 to the 1. So it will be 2 to the 1 times 3 squared. We want to reach 3 to the 4. So it will be 3 squared. So as I said, when we know x is what, we can find y. Okay, so if you had questions, send message to my WhatsApp number, and please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the bell and like the video. Thanks.